Hello and welcome to Japanese Beautiful Sites. Every Sunday I will introduce a Japanese beautiful place in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script I'm reading from in this video description. Today I will talk to you about Nishi Honganji, West Honganji, and Higashi Honganji as East Honganji. Nishi Honganji and Higashi Honganji are two major temples of the Jodo Shinshu Buddhism in Kyoto. Originally, they were one temple, but they split in 62. Now, Nishi Honganji is the head temple of the Jodo Shinshu Honganji-ha sect, and Higashi Honganji is the head temple of the Shinshu Otani-ha sect. Nishi Honganji was built in 1591 and it's known for its grand architecture and beautiful gardens. Famous parts include the Karamon Gate, the Showing Hall, and Hi-Unkaku Pavilion, which are designed as national treasures or important cultural properties. Nishi Honganji is also active in promoting peace and coexistence. Recently, their efforts in environmental protection and social contribution has gained attention. Higashi Honganji was built in 1602 and is known for its large gardens and huge wooden buildings. The Koeido Hall and Amida Hall are impressive for their size and beauty. Higashi Honganji also focuses on education and cultural activities. Recently, their work in international exchange and multicultural coexistence has become a topic of interest. Both temples are using digital technology to enhance visitor experience. Virtual tour and online classes allow people from all over the world to learn about these temples. There are also signs in English and other languages, making it easier for foreign tourists to visit. By visiting Nishi Honganji and Higashi Honganji, you can learn about Japanese regional culture and history. You will also understand two roles and activities to temples in modern society. The unique structures and rich histories of these temples continue to attract many visitors. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.